Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to tap Cash App card from phone. Cash App provides users with the convenience of making contactless payments through the Tap to Pay feature on Android devices. To set up and begin using this feature, start by opening the Cash App on your Android phone. Tap on the card icon located at the bottom of the screen. If you have not yet activated your Cash Card, you will be guided through the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Once your card is activated, tap on the option labelled Add to Google Pay. Follow the prompts carefully to successfully link your Cash Card to your Google Wallet. Before making a contactless payment, you need to make sure that NFC, Near Field Communication, is enabled on your Android device. To do this, go to your phone's settings, navigate to Connections, and then tap on NFC and contactless payments. Ensure that the toggle switch is turned on to allow for NFC functionality. When you're ready to make a purchase at a store that accepts contactless payments, wake up your phone and hold it close to the payment terminal. The phone should be near enough for the terminal to detect it. If prompted, authenticate the transaction using your fingerprint, PIN, or face recognition, depending on your device's security settings. After the authentication is complete, you will see a check mark on your screen indicating that the payment has been successfully processed. This simple and secure method allows you to pay quickly without needing to insert a card or handle cash. Thank you for watching.